Well, here we go. It's cruise time again. Majestic Princess, 10 days, Sea of Cortez off the Baja, California. So we are super excited. That's a Mexican Riviera cruise. We've done this cruise, but it's been a million years ago. It was 2017, so 7 years ago. I'm gonna start out by showing you the dresses that I'm wearing, and then I'll move to bottoms, shorts and pants, athletic wear, and tops together. And then we'll get to some of the other nitty-gritty things over there. And I'm gonna do it a couple different ways. I'm gonna tell you some of the items that I plan on doing double duty on. So like some of my outfits I might be able to wear on excursions and also to the gym on the ship, or just walking around ship. So first off, I got a couple cute dresses just for, these can double as excursion wear. If I'm walking around town, has pockets. I can put these with a cute pair of tennis shoes and that will be great. So I have that one. I have kind of a sling dress. This will do double duties because I can do excursions in this, and I can do evening wear with that, along with the striped blue. This is one of the dresses that I wouldn't wear on an excursion. This is just evening wear, just dinner, nice dinner wear, dinner dress. And then this is the more formal dressy dress, kind of a cocktail dress. So let me show you the shoes that go along with those. I have beady, pretty little flats, and then I have cute wedges. This would go with both of these dresses, or these would go with both these dresses, or if I decided to wear jeans around the ship, I could do that as well. It could definitely go with my sling dress. And then of course the striped blue dress as well. So that's great. I am bringing a shawl, and that will go with my formal dress. I could also bring this on the airline, on the plane with me. I do oftentimes bring this on the planes with me, just for a little cozy blanket to kind of lay with. Okay, moving on to bottoms. I have a couple things. This is going to be a pretty active vacation. We're going to be doing private island in Puerto Vallarta. Cabo San Lucas, we're probably just going to poke around town a little bit, maybe stay on the ship and do pool time, spa days. We may have 1 or 2 spa days. It is Robert's birthday cruise, so we're going to be celebrating whatever he wants to do on a couple of those days. So I've got very flexible cutoff shorts. I've got easy wear to the gym, wear to the beach shorts. And then I've got a little bit dressier short. I forget what they call this material, but it's a really nice dress type material, dressier type material. Then I have good old linen pants, pretty wrinkly right now, but they spray out. I'll bring a wrinkle releaser and they spray out really nicely. So those are good. So that's the bottoms. And then the tops that I have, and I'm glad I put this together because once I started laying out outfits, I realized I was a little shy on a couple shirts. So I'll probably stick a couple more t-shirts in here. I like a V-neck, very simple t-shirt. So I probably, kind of like I'm wearing, I will probably put a few more in there. We made this shirt on either Teespring or Spreadshirt, one or the other. So if you'd like to get one of these, it says, "Cruising is great couples therapy." So if you'd like to get one of those, I will link that in the video here. Robert and I have started a fitness journey, so I'm bringing some gym clothes. which again could double as clothing to wear on excursions. So sports top, couple sports tops, leggings. I've got a blue pair, I've got a black pair, and then shorts and a sports shirt, of course. So those are great. And then some of the other casual tops, but I could also wear them for dinner, would be something like this. It's a nice fall color. And again, double duty. It's casual, but you can kind of dress it up, put a nice long necklace on it, a nice pair of slacks. I could even wear it with my linen pants if I wanted to. And what's a packing video without Jax? There she is. She's made her appearance. Let's see where she parks herself. Okay, she's gonna go check out those things. I love this top. It's a nice off-the-shoulder top. I usually wear it kind of just off my shoulders. It's a great Mexican style top too. So very cute, very fun. I could wear that with my blue jean shorts for a little casual look. I could wear it with blue jeans, tuck in the front for a little bit dressier look. Some nice earrings. I have some nice red earrings that pull out the red in the shirt. So that's great. So that is pretty much all my clothes. Other than undergarments, I'm bringing 2 bathing suits. So that will be good. Socks, of course, I have those already packed. Not gonna bore you with those details. I do have a little clutch purse for evening wear. This is kind of our estate room or cabin bag that I always bring. So it has our hamper, has a little sewing kit. I will be decorating our door, I always do. So either this goes inside or outside. It kind of just depends on how well the door is supporting it. I've got hooks, and I've got our days of the week magnets that we put up, and we put up our itinerary and all of that. More magnets. So all of that is in here, pretty much stays in here. And then I also have some stationery cards for writing thank yous, just blank greeting cards. A couple of bags that I'm bringing, pool bag, and I'm bringing a larger bag this time. I asked Robert, should I? And he said, yeah, just bring them both. This is a really packable, lightweight. I think it's made out of straw and then it's lined. You can buy them in Mexico. I probably did at one point. So I will bring that with us for the beach excursions that we're doing. I have a wet dry bag in there as well. So you put your wet bathing suits in there and they don't get anything else in your bag wet. So that's nice. Still working on this bag. I'm not sure that this is gonna be my carry-on bag, but I feel like it probably is. I've got water bottles. We always bring those and fill those up on the ship. There's Jax again. I have our luggage tags. I don't put them on until we're done. You know, we get our bags back from the airline. I have my wires bag. This has got all sorts of cords, plugs, wires for various things that I have to charge. This is where I kind of pack up our medallions. So everything is all together here. This is my medallion for the ship, already on my band. So when we get off the plane and we're waiting for our luggage to come on the carousel, we'll put these on and we'll go and find the Princess charter bus attendant, I guess is probably what the best name for it is. I do also have the lanyards in here. We don't usually use those right off the bat. We throw them on our wrists. It's a little easier to check in and out. So I've got those ready to go. I've got some travel documents printed, and I just like this document holder. It's a nice leather-bound document holder. I can put credit cards or identification in here if I'm waiting in line. Our passports usually will go in here as well. So that is what is in here. And I may also have Robert's medication unless he has his own medication in his bag. Sometimes he runs out of room because of the cameras and things like that. So I may have to do those. So I will go ahead and get those packed up. Some of the other things that you'll see as I'm packing up my bag is that we are bringing liquid IV hydrator. We are bringing some supplements. When we are working out and exercising, we have a pre and post workout routine that we do. So we're bringing some of that. So can't wait, super excited to cruise with Princess again. And we will take you along with us. Definitely fit. There is room still for my toiletry bags and makeup. But that will be good. I will put that in first thing in the morning. I've got my bigger jacket that I'll put in here. I decided to bring my shawl on the airline because I'm wearing a sleeveless shirt. So I think, well, I might be a little chilly. If not, I can easily shove it in my carry-on bag. So no problem there. Yeah. Got a few more things to do and I'll be ready to go first thing in the morning.